Good morning, the Honorable the Judges of Speech Contest. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Adila Rahma Widyaningtyas from State Senior High School 1 Lasem. Have you ever visited Lasem? Well, you must visit Lasem someday. You know why? Because Lasem is famous as the city of batik. Lasem is not just a place of artistic beauty, it's a living testament to Indonesia's rich heritage, where every piece of batik tells a story of culture, history, and identity. We know batik is one of the old cultures that is now increasingly in demand. We celebrate National Batik Day on October 2nd as batik has been recognized as an intangible cultural heritage by UNESCO since 2009. This celebration is kind of appreciation for batik as an Indonesian heritage. Wait a minute, what is old culture? Well, old culture is the way of life, customs and beliefs of people from a long time ago. The activities that are considered important for the development of civilization and people's minds, such as the arts and philosophy. So, what is the relationship between batik as an old culture and us as Gen Z? Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to talk to you today about why Gen Z must appreciate and preserve batik in modern life. It's a pleasure to stand before a vibrant and dynamic generation like Gen Z, right? A generation known for its creativity, individuality, and ability to shape trends. Once again, what is the relationship between batik as an old culture and us as Gen Z? Well, it lies in the opportunity to bridge tradition with modernity. Batik represents Indonesia's cultural heritage, carrying deep historical and philosophical meanings. For Gen Z, embracing batik is a way to connect with our roots while expressing individuality in modern contexts. By integrating batik into our lifestyle and fashion, Gen Z can preserve its legacy. It also supports local artisans and refine it as a contemporary trend, then ensuring this timeless tradition remains relevant for future generations. Let's talk about it a little bit detail. I believe it's time for us, Gen Z, to imagine and embrace batik. Not as something outdated, but as a trend that carries tradition into the future. Why batik matters to Gen Z? Let's remind ourselves of what batik truly represents. Batik is more than just fabric. It's a story woven with threads and colors, a legacy of our ancestors and a symbol of Indonesian pride. Every motif from the graceful parang to the vibrant lasem carries deep meanings rooted in philosophy, values, and culture. In this era of fast fashion and fleeting trends, batik stands as a timeless masterpiece. It shows the world who we are, where we come from, and what we stand for. Preserving batik means preserving our identity, and that's a responsibility that falls on us, the young generation. Batik is tradition meets modernity. Now, you might doubt, will batik fit into the Gen Z modern lifestyle? Absolutely. Batik has evolved beautifully to match the tastes and trends of our time. Many streetwear brands are incorporating batik into hoodies, sneakers, and bucket hats, making it cool and accessible. There are creative digital designs are giving traditional motifs a fresh twist, making them appealing to younger audiences. And many social media influencers are rocking batik in everyday wear, proving it's not just for formal events or ceremonies. When we wear batik, we're not just making a fashion statement, we're carrying a piece of history into the modern world. So, how can we, Gen Z, take part in this movement? First, read proudly. Incorporate batik into your daily wardrobe. Show the world that tradition can be trendy. Second, promote it online. Use your social media platforms to showcase the beauty of batik. A simple post can inspire others to do the same. Third, support local artisans. Buy from small businesses and artisans who keep the craft of batik alive. Fourth, innovate with batik. If you're into fashion, design, or art, create something new with batik. Our creativity will connect the gap between tradition and innovation. Batik is more than a piece of cloth. It's legacy that belongs to all of us. As Gen Z, we have the power to make it thrive in modern life. By appreciating and preserving batik, we honor our past while shaping a future where tradition and trends coexist. In a fast-paced and modern world, batik can sometimes feel like an artifact of the past. And this is where you, Gen Z, come in. You are the generation that turns simplicity into style and old into gold. Batik with its timeless charm and versatility is waiting to be rediscovered by we. Here's why we should embrace and preserve batik. Let me leave you with this thought. Culture is not a burden from the past, it is a gift to the future. Let's make batik a gift we proudly pass on. Thank you very much.